Now, what would you say is the best type of milk ever around? Very well then. There's milk, chocolate, strawberry, or radiation. Because it turns out, if you live in Mexico in 1986, you would have known that basically this thing actually did existed. Just let me explain. So we land all the way to the Soviet Union, where Ukraine was actually underneath the Soviet Union, where basically there was a disaster that happened all the way in Chernobyl. Alright, the reason why the Chernobyl accident happened was because of the reactor design, personnel, and experiment. You see, the RBMK reactor did not have a containment structure to keep the radiation inside the plant. And the personnel, the reactor was operated by an adequately trained personnel. I cannot pronounce that right, that's why. Technicians during the experiment attempted a poorly designed experiment that ended up causing the accident. After Chernobyl's incident, it turns out what happened is that many countries were affected by the cause of it. This included Belarus, Russia, and the Soviet Union, who were underneath. Well, it turns out I meant to say Russia, that's why. Now, at the time, Mexico needed more powdered milk in their country, so they called up Europe to see if they could ship out some powdered milk. However, what Mexico should have known is that basically all the milk was still radiated after, well, the radiation air from Chernobyl. After many people found out about this in the city of Mexico City, it turns out every milk, which was literally 28,000 tons, was literally removed from supermarkets, and they had to put up signs showing that the milk was radioactive. Now, to this day, all the milk is no longer radioactive in current day Mexico, but it's pretty terrifying to find out about this, that if anyone actually drank this, they would have died, obviously. Now, lesson learned, do not ever get shipped out radioactive milk.